Amazing AI generated videos from text and also images using this brand new AI platform. That's what we're gonna talk about in today's video. Before we jump into it, you know what to do. Like and share so more people can see this. All right, this platform, this website is PromeAI. Here is the URL. Bunch of different AI tools here. You can see these. We're gonna focus on AI generated videos from images and also from text. So create an account. It is free to create an account. You don't need to pay, but obviously if you pay, you get all these new features, a bunch of new features. All right, so when you log into your account, this is the dashboard. You can see images and videos created by other people on your home. If you go to community tab, you're gonna see more stuff here. What's trending? You can see these images, these videos, short videos, robot, awesome stuff. Now, the section below is the image generation. There are a bunch of different AI image generation tools: sketches, sketch rendering, AI image generator, creative fusion, image variation. So bunch of different cool tools. And then also below that is image editing, if you want to do any editing on your image. What we're going to focus on in this video is the video section. So AI video generation tools, text to video, and then image to video. So text to video, if you click here, it's pretty straightforward. You can see all these videos being done by other people. If you want to see what prompt they use, you can see that. If you want to remix this, meaning you'll use the same or similar prompt, you can do that. Ooh, that makes me hungry. I can remix this and create similar videos. Now, if you want to generate your own video, here's what you're going to do. Go to this box here, and then let's say a black dog walking in the space. Now scroll down, and here are different options. So you can see, you can pick a style: photography, conceptual art, illustration, art. You can pick different styles of your video. And I love the fact that they have so many of these styles. Depending on your brand, you can select whichever one you want. Then what type of video you want: square, vertical, horizontal. You can select that ratio. And then also motion. Do you want high motion or low motion? I think by default it's set to high. And then click on generate. And then I actually already did this. So let me find, if I go to actually history, I created this, I used the same prompt, and look at the quality of this video. Really interesting. And obviously you gotta work on the legs are kind of funny at the end. Look at this, but really good. I can tell it's HD high quality video. And obviously there's a logo there, but you know how to remove that logo, right? I've made other videos about removing logos, so you can do that. All right, so this was the text to video. Now image to video, this is also really neat. You can see videos created by other people from images. Look at this. This is a really neat tool if you want to animate your images. That's nice. Actually, I love how the hands and the leg motion is pretty neat. Now, if you wanted to do it, then you can upload a picture from your computer, or you can use one of the pictures from here. For example, let's say if I wanted to use this picture, you could select the motion, high or low, and then click on generate. I did this earlier, actually, yes. So let's play this. Neat. Really simple, straightforward tool. And then, like I said, these are two video generation tools, but if you look under, there's outpainting, erasing, a lot of AI tools for image editing and image generation as well. Again, the platform is called PromeAI.com. Any questions, let me know. Before you go, like and share this video so more people can see this, and I'll see you in this next video. Bye for now.